On July 4th, a video was posted by a British media company called Unilad of a bowling ball being thrown down a lane by a robot and getting a strike. The video went viral on Facebook with 38,000 likes, and the robot is pretty cool, but is it legit? To find out, I did a keyword search. This led me to a Snopes fact check that debunked the video. Snopes explains that the video is actually a reposted digital rendering by motion graphics creator Tom Coben. When Coben originally posted the video, it included hashtags such as 3D render, digital art, and CGI. But since it was posted by so many other sources so many other times, it eventually was presented as a real video. So this video is not legit, but I definitely wish it existed because it would seriously save my bowling score.